In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Godaddy domain name to your Vercel project. So this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial so you can follow along. First, make sure you're logged into both on the same browser. And as you can see right here, I'm in Vercel. This is one of the projects that I have. It's a very simple website I got from GitHub. So we can click on this, and as you can see right now, the current domain name is a Vercel subdomain. So we can click on it, and as you can see, this is simply how it looks like with this ugly looking Vercel domain name. Now let's add a custom domain. So we go back to Vercel right here. And then from here, we want to go to settings on top. And then here at the third option, it says domains. And now we can see the current domain we're using. And here we want to click add domain to add our own custom domain. Then from here, we want to go to GoDaddy and copy our domain name. For me, it is studiohassel.com. So I simply select it, I copy it, and I paste it in right here. And now we have this option, redirect studiohassel.com to www. We enable this as it's also recommended. Then we click on save. Now, as you can see, we get this message, invalid configuration, because we still need to do that. So for that, we click on learn more. And we see that we need to change some records. Now, there are two options. We can do that through the name servers or through an A record. I personally recommend to do that through name servers as it's faster and just easier overall. So from here, we now want to go back to GoDaddy. And inside our account, we want to go to domains on the left sidebar right here. And from here, we see our domain name settings. We see DNS, and we want to click on that. And then from here, we are going to see the DNS records and also name servers. So we click on name servers. And now we can see that the current name servers are from GoDaddy itself. So we want to change them. So we click on change name servers right here. And now we want to click, I'll use my own name servers. And we're going to enter the one from Vercel. So go back to Vercel, and then we copy the first one. We go back to GoDaddy and we paste it in just like that. We can also paste the second one in right here and then change the NS1 to 2. And then we simply click save. And now it's going to edit the name servers. As you can see, we get this message. We want to confirm it, so we click continue. And now the request has been successful and it's in progress. So now, as you can see, it is still left by default. So we want to refresh the page to see if they change. And as you can see, they do. Now we are using the Vercel name servers. Now what we can do, we can go back to Vercel, and right here we can click refresh. So it actually makes the link between the domain name and our project. So let's do that. And now as you can see, it already found the records. And the only thing that can take a little longer is generating the SSL certificate, which is basically making your connection secure. But also the second one is now successfully linked. So now what we can do, we can search for domain name. So I'm going to copy this domain name and opening a new incognito tab and then search for it. And now there is a chance, yeah, exactly like this. It doesn't support a secure connection. And that's exactly the thing with the SSL certificate. This needs some time, but this will be resolved by its own in usually a couple of hours, because that just needs a couple of moments before it can connect. But now essentially we've done it correctly. All right, here we can see the site. It's the same thing that I showed you with the subdomain under our custom domain name studiohassel.com. So this is pretty much everything you need to do. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.